Hello, welcome to our channel. Are you like to know about what is the use of multiple input files in MapReduce Hadoop development? So, in this video, I'm giving you detailed guidance on pass multiple input files using Hadoop MapReduce. Let's start with introduction. Here, in this video, I will make you understand the concept of multiple input files required in Hadoop MapReduce. As a mapper extracts its input from the input file, if there are multiple input files, developers will require the same amount of mapper to read records from input files. In this video, I am doing the use of two input files with two mapper classes and a reducer. Watch the complete video to know more. Now, let's get an overview of MapReduce. MapReduce is a programming framework that allows us to perform distributed and parallel processing on large data sets in a distributed environment. MapReduce consists of two distinct tasks. First is map and second is reduce. The map takes a set of data and converts it into another set of data, where individual elements are broken down into tuples. Means, key or value pairs. A mapper class handles the mapping phase, it maps the data present in different data nodes. A reducer class handles the reducing phase, it aggregates and reduces the output of different data nodes to generate the final output. As you can see in this image, data that is stored on multiple machines pass through mapping. The final output is obtained after the data is shuffled, sorted, and reduced. Next is introducing multiple input files in Hadoop MapReduce. Consider a simple hypothetical case where you want to load the data from different data sources having different format or separators. For the above simple case, we are assuming that we do have two different files of users with different records. The files also have different separators. Now, to solve this type of problem, we can use multiple inputs from Hadoop. To solve this type of problem, we can take below approach, use two different mappers for individually parsing the records from different files with different formats. As you can see in image, use one reducer so that we can also join the records values, writing the records to HDFS at the end of joining. Let's see an example of reducer side joins in Hadoop MapReduce. Though the solution is a left outer join, you can tweak the below code to perform any type of join as you wish. For Hadoop MapReduce need environment, Java 1.7.0_75, Hadoop 1.0.4. Now, we create an example for multiple input files in MapReduce. As you see in images, we have two sample input files. One is tab separated file and another is semicolon separated file. I use the below code to solve this problem for multiple input files in MapReduce. For that, first I have created multiple input mapper1.java file. Then, I have created another multiple input mapper to .java. Here, I have created two mapper file for two different inputs for MapReduce. Next, I have created another multiple input driver.java file. In this file have code for setting the separator for parsing tab separated input file 1 for multiple input mapper 1, setting the separator for parsing semicolon separated input file 2 for multiple input mapper 2, setting the separator for reducer for saving the file into tab separated output file, tab separated input file 1 and semicolon separated input file 2 for MapReduce. Next, I have created multiple input reducer.java file for reduce the two input files into one output file. In this file have code for retrieving the common file separator from context for output file. After running the code, the output file looks like as you see in image. In this case, we can see that record 7 is having values in file 1. Only while there is no value for record 7 in file 2. Hence, it performs a left join. In this video, most of the code is self-explanatory, so you can easily check and get line by line understanding of the code. And it's done. You can start using multiple input files in MapReduce as per the need. If you have any doubt regarding MapReduce or any other question regarding Hadoop development, Our Hadoop development experts are welcomes you to help you with your custom software development solutions. Just mention the problem you are facing while using them in the comments, and experts will answer it soon. I hope this video will help you to understand multiple inputs and left join in Hadoop MapReduce. For further information, contact us. Our email address info@aegissoftech.com, our contact number +919 824172020, our address Royal Square, first floor, office number 110, near Shilp Tower, Tagore Road, Rajkot 360001, Gujarat, India. Thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe our channel for more